Greetings to one and all present here. I am Shaktwel from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering of Savitha Engineering College. So today we are going to present on the topic of Control Systems Engineering, which comes under the subject code of 19EE312. So this is the first skill assessment, and the topic which I have chosen for it is Control System in Industrial Solar Power Plant. So next, go to the next slide. Let's jump right into the introduction part. So here we are getting an easy example of what an solar power plant is actually working on. So it's pretty basic idea that the solar plant converts sunlight into electrical energy. So the first point is that solar panel or a solar power plant is basically a field of solar panels where sunlight is captured to convert sunlight into electricity using photoelectric diodes. So the next point is the output is variable due to clouds, weather and time of the day. So it's pretty basic idea that if we don't get a constant supply of sunlight throughout the day, the output ratio might be changing from time to time. And the next point is that a control system is required for an efficient power extraction, voltage and frequency regulation, safe grid integration and continuous monitoring. So these are some of the points which are very necessary to maintain a efficient power extraction from the methodology of solar panel usage. So next, go into the next slide. So this is the basic block diagram which is used in an industrial solar power plant. So this is pretty simple one which explains the control system behind it. So this is the first block which shows the lettering PV. So it means nothing but photovoltaic cells. So as we have studied in earlier classes that photovoltaic cells helps us to convert light energy into electrical energy. So this is basically the basic idea of like the same concept of converting sunlight into electrical energy. So the small electronic components which we use for our mini projects are pretty enlarged here, but the idea is same. And this is the first block. So from here the extracted, I mean the stored sunlight is converted into DC current, that is direct current, and we use a block called a power point, which is used in the industrial usage. So this increases the efficiency of flow of voltage and current throughout the field. So this is a point where the electricity which has been obtained till now has just got a better efficiency, and it is been pushed over to an inverter where the current and voltage which has been collected is being converted into alternating current. So this is the pretty basic idea. I mean, this is the basic structure which it is acting upon. So next, go into the next slide. So we are discussing about control systems. Now we have here the types of control. So the first one will be feedback control, which maintains a stable output. Since the solar power plant is an big integration of engineering marvels and power of nature, the maintenance part also plays an important role in production of electricity here. So the feedback control is a main thing which maintains a stable output, and feed forward control which anticipates sunlight changes. Since there is no constant climate which is possible to human nature, the anticipation of sunlight is pretty important here. So we use specialized feed forward control systems to make that possible. And the third point, MPPT algorithms. So the PowerPoint algorithms are playing certain roles here, which perturb and observe incremental conductance. And the last point is supervisory control, plant level optimization. Since this is a pretty big plant, we need just like how the first point mentions the maintaining of a stable output. Supervision also plays an important role to get the efficient output in an power plant. So next slide. And here we are seeing the practical applications of the technology. Large scale solar farms. So for example, if we are taking uh, a farming field for example, so the usage of electricity is pretty plenty, and the cost of payment towards electricity is also pretty high. So to reduce that, we can implement solar power plants or basic solar structures near farms. So it will be helpful for even the farmers and the industries which act upon development of food sources. So it will be a major development even for the country. And the second one is rooftop solar for industries and homes. um, so basic appliances like water heaters and some few more electrical appliances can be run using the basic solar structure which is available in the market. And hybrid plants for solar, so hybrid plants too, which include solar, wind and storage. And modern technologies like IoT monitoring, AI forecasting, smart inverters are also available right now. So from this, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you for watching this video.